Welcome to 521 Hickory Hill Drive. This neat 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome style condo with luxury vinyl plank flooring. Inside, it's located in the St. Andrews Wood neighborhood in Northwest Columbia, the St. Andrews area. Convenient to I-20, I-26, Riverbank Zoo, downtown Columbia, and Harbison dining and shopping as well. So right out front, you have two parking spaces out to the front of the unit, and then a covered entry as you come in here. And then you see as you step inside the unit, which is 2 stories, you have luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main level, throughout most of the main levels, and the entry, living and dining space, and that hall going up to the kitchen. Then it's also in the hall, and I believe bath upstairs as well. So you have, again, off the front door here, here's the small foyer area. You can see the stairs going to the second level where your bedrooms and full bath are. That goes to the kitchen. And then you have the living space over here. So we'll go through this way first. So off the entry, you have a coat closet here. To your right, in this hall, there's some storage under the stairs there as well. Nice window looking out towards another small enclosed kind of patio space off the front of the home. You do have a half bathroom here also. So a corner single vanity and commode in there. And then the kitchen is decent size. It's pretty open. You have an included refrigerator, electric stove, and dishwasher. And you can see there's another door that goes out to that other patio space that we mentioned out there at the front of the property. And you have a front window looking out. And then some good space over here as well. You also do have stackable washer dryer connections in the laundry closet here. And I know there actually is, and there actually may not be a dryer vent that I see, so I do see at least the water connection, so you will want to check with the leasing office about the possibility of a dryer as well. And then the dining room is on this side, looking out towards the living room. You have 2 sliding doors out to a large rear patio that's also enclosed, so that's one of those doors. We'll access it from the one on the living room side. If we can get that open for you. Sometimes these doors take a bit, but you can see just concrete patio space out there, and it is closed in. And it looks out to some common area. So up the stairs here, second level, off the landing, you can see a nice sized linen closet there. You do have kind of a wall of windows in the stairwell that gives some great natural light to the second floor landing. Also 2 bedrooms on this side, upstairs. So this is one of 2. Both have a sliding glass door style window out towards the back. The property kind of overlooks that back patio area. And you can see the closet on the opposite side there behind the bifold doors. Behind the mirrored sliding doors. And the bathroom is there straight ahead of us. Off the hall, it also connects to the second bedroom as well. So full bath, you have a single vanity, and then your shower and tub here behind the door. And then that connects to this bedroom, which has 2 closets. So this would technically be considered your master or primary bedroom. And you can see the 2 closets in that window out to the front, or out to the back there. And that pretty much wraps it up. So that completes your tour of this home, 521 Hickory Hill Drive in Northwest Columbia. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.